Liquid organic fertilizer is highly effective in fertilizing shallots because it is rich in macro-micronutrients, improves soil structure, stimulates roots, accelerates growth, increases plant resistance to diseases, such as fusarium wilt, and can increase yields up to threefold with the right dosage, for example from cow urine or fermented organic materials. Liquid organic fertilizer works quickly to address nutrient deficiencies and maintain nutritional balance, but the correct dosage is crucial to avoid root damage. Onion is a general term for plants in the genus Allium, the onion family, whose bulbs, leaves, or flowers are used as a culinary spice, vegetable, or medicine. The most common types are shallots, garlic, and onions, bawang. These plants are fibrous, have layered bulbs, and are a basic ingredient in cooking throughout the world, especially in Asia. Common types of onions. Shallots. Allium ascalonicum. Small bulbs, often used as a base spice in Indonesian dishes. Garlic. Allium sativum. Bulbs consisting of cloves, have a pungent odor, and are common in global cuisine and traditional medicine. Onions. Allium cepa. Large onions often called Bengal onions, used as a spice or vegetable. Scallions. Allium fistulosum. Also known as leeks or chives. The leaves are used as a vegetable. Planting shallots is easy. Select healthy bulbs, trim them slightly, then plant them with the tops facing upward in a moist growing medium. A mixture of soil and compost, with adequate sunlight. Water regularly, sprinkle with organic fertilizer, and keep weeds at bay. Harvest when the leaves begin to yellow, about 3 months later. You can also grow shallots from the market in pots and fertile soil. 1. Preparation seeds. Select large, healthy shallot bulbs. Trim the tops slightly. Planting medium. A mixture of soil from the edge of the soil and compost, burnt rice husks. A ratio of 2:1 or 1:1, or a ready-to-use growing medium. Container. Pots, polybags, with drainage holes, or prepared soil. Location. Ensure the planting area receives morning and afternoon sunlight. 2. Planting. Make rows, holes. Dig planting holes 2 to 3 centimeters deep, with a distance of 10 to 15 centimeters between plants and 15 to 25 centimeters between rows to ensure adequate nutrition. Planting bulbs. Place the bulbs with the pointed tip facing up. Make sure the green shoots appear slightly above the soil surface. Water. Water sufficiently until the media is moist, don't let it become waterlogged. At 15 days after planting, DAP, your shallot plants are in the early vegetative growth phase and should ideally have received their first supplementary fertilizer application a few days earlier. If you haven't yet applied the initial fertilizer application, here's a care guide. Plant conditions. 15 DAP critical phase. 15 DAP is a crucial period requiring plant nutrients, especially nitrogen, N, to support strong leaf and root growth prior to bulb formation. Nutrient requirements. Without initial fertilizer, plants may exhibit suboptimal growth, such as smaller leaves or a less green color, depending on the initial soil fertility. Organic fertilizer can be made from papaya leaves and coffee grounds because both are rich in essential nutrients for plants. 1. 2. Papaya leaves contain nitrogen, potassium, and calcium, while coffee grounds are rich in nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, and magnesium. 1. 2. Here are some ways to make organic fertilizer from these ingredients. 1. Compost fertilizer. This method involves decomposing these ingredients along with other organic materials to produce nutrient-rich compost. Ingredients. Dried, fresh papaya leaves. Chopped into small pieces, coffee grounds, brown materials, such as dry leaves, sawdust, or shredded cardboard, and water. Steps. Mix the green materials, papaya leaves and coffee grounds, with the brown materials in a compost bin or pile. Maintain a balanced ratio of green and brown materials for optimal decomposition. Keep the mixture moist, like a wrung-out sponge. And ensure adequate aeration by turning the pile periodically, for example, once a week. This process takes several weeks to months, depending on conditions, until the materials decompose into dark material and disintegrate. 1. Liquid organic fertilizer, POC, is applied to onions by spraying them onto the leaves or pouring them onto the soil, usually at a concentration of around 1 to 2%, e.g., 10 to 20 milliliter per liter of air, every 7 to 10 days in the morning or evening when the stomata are open. This is to support root, shoot, and tuber growth, as well as increase plant resistance to pests and diseases. The correct dosage is crucial to avoid plant damage. Application method: spraying, foliar. Dissolve the POC in water and spray evenly onto the onion leaves, especially during the young growth period. Drinking. Pour the POC solution around the base of the plant or the growing medium so that the nutrients are directly absorbed by the roots. Shallot plants thrive after applying liquid organic fertilizer plus 9. Listen, yes, shallot plants can thrive with liquid organic fertilizer, POC, because it is rich in complete nutrients, improves soil structure, provides rapid nutrient uptake, and supports vegetative and bulb growth, provided the dosage is correct to avoid root damage, and the ideal soil pH is between 5.5 to 6.5 for optimal nutrient absorption. Main benefits of POC for shallots. Complete nutrition. Provides the macronutrients, NPK, and micronutrients naturally needed by plants. Soil structure. Improves soil fertility and looseness, facilitating bulb development. Nutrient absorption. Helps improve nutrient absorption, stimulates photosynthesis, and bulb enlargement. Overcoming nutrient deficiencies. Quickly addresses nutrient deficiencies in plants. Plant strengthening. The content of certain elements, such as calcium and boron, can strengthen plant tissues and reduce pathogen attacks.